Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and today we're doing another influencer unboxing. Surprisingly, I got another one after I updated my influencer bio, and I got another box finally. And it just asked me for another one, so I might be getting another one again. So, just wanted you guys to know that. Let's get started. This one I know for sure doesn't have a lot of products in it because it's a specific brand box, and usually when they have specific brand boxes, they usually have like one or two things in there from that brand inside the box. So if this video is short, my apologies. Influencer is a site where you can go on if you're an influencer on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Even if you're not an influencer but you still have a lot of people on those sites or social medias that you can use to put into there, so you can get boxes and stuff like that. But you also have a chance of getting boxes from reviewing products, whether it's makeup, movies, books, etc. You have to have a certain amount of influence to be able to get a box, or if you have a higher amount of influence, you have a higher chance of getting a box, as long as you also have badges. Sorry I'm babbling really fast. It's been a while since I've been on camera. It's actually been like a month and a half since I've been on camera. So if I'm mumbling really fast, my apologies. I'm a little nervous right now. So let's get into unboxing. First and foremost, it comes in this gray envelope bag. I already cut it open because I wanted to make sure it was an influencer box, although it does say on here that it is from Influencer. I just like to make sure because I don't know. it's just something. And immediately inside the box is another box. Well, inside the bag is another box, and this one is Curl Treats Leave-In Styles. Influencers on the back. So this is from Garnier. Am I pronouncing that right? I'm probably butchering it. It's 98% naturally derived ingredients. I've tried their products before. They have the not leave-in conditioner. You put in the what's it called? Hair mask. That's the one. You put your hair on the hair mask in the shower, and then you wash it out and everything like that. I tried a couple of those. So I'm opening the box, and the first thing you see is this, if you can see it properly. And there's two products inside. Curl Smoothie, Curl Jelly, and Curl Butter. New Fructis Curl Treatment treats leaving stylers 24-hour frizz control. It's biodegradable formula. Yes, 98% natural derived ingredients. I want to say deprived for some reason. No parabens, no petroleums, no silicones, no sulfates, no artificial colorants, and no mineral oil. For those who don't know, if something says mineral oil on it, sometimes it is a different type of oil. It's not really mineral oil. It's like, what's it called? I can't remember what kind of oil, but it's a bad oil. It's like used for cars or something like that. And that's just what I read up. I'm not saying it's true. I'm just saying that it's something I saw and read. So I got, out of the three, I got Garnier Fructis Style Curl Treatment Butter Hydration, which is great because I have really dead, dry ends because I bleached my hair a while back. Anyone who's been with me since I've had blue hair. Look at that. Ooh. Smells good, but then again, half my nose is like, you can't breathe. So the Curl Butter, our hydrating butter, drenches hair in moisture without greasiness or weighs down, fights frizz for up to 24 hours, infused with shea butter, works normal to coarse hair with spiral wave. If you guys would like me to try these products out for a time period and then tell you guys how I feel about it with a review, leave a comment below. Maybe I'll do it. So sometimes I tend to forget to put these things on, and I want to make sure it's in a time period, like I'm using it within a month, not like using it for 1 week and then I skip a week and then use it again. I want to be able to use it within a month to give you a better review on it. So if I forget, my greatest apologies. Okay, so that's this one. This one says it's 80% biodegradable. For hydrated up to 24 hours, freeze-resistant curls with no greasy hair. Suitable for color-treated hair. Rake through hair with fingers to shape curls. Let air dry. So basically, whenever I do curl my hair, which is very rare nowadays because For those who keep up with my mental health vlogs, I have been going through new medication, so I haven't been doing much of anything at all. I got my makeup on today, which is yay! So yeah. I will be trying this. I'm going to start doing my hair more often. I was actually thinking about cutting my hair, but I'm like torn on it. Next is the smoothie, defining fine to normal hair. Curl smoothie. Our smoothie gives hair soft, bouncy definition all over, and controls frizz up to 24 hours. Infused with avocado oil, works on fine to normal hair with moderate wave. So this one it's gonna look the same. Either way, it's gonna look the same. They both kind of smell like coconut oil or shea butter. Both of them kind of do. There's a similar smell to them, which is not a bad thing. It's just surprising. This one's 88% biodegradable. I don't know why there's a difference, but there is. Also, if you would like me to review the products, those who keep up with my reviewing products, I do talk about the chemicals also. So if you guys do want me to review it and I actually get to it, I will be talking about different chemicals, whether they're good for you, whether they're bad for you, whether they call it allergens or something along those lines. We will get into it. Now, the one that I did not receive, I'll read off. It's Curl Jelly. Our jelly offers both hold and lightweight moisture. It keeps hair frizz-free for up to 24 hours. Infused with coconut, works on all hair types from open waves to curls. So, that's the other one that did not come with it. There's 3 of them right here. That Curl Jelly actually looks pretty cool. There's like a yellow tint in it, while these 2 are white. So that would have been interesting to grab. So that's it. I mean, that's the only thing that in the product, the box. See? Empty box. So I might be getting another box. I hope so, because I've been having difficulties filming lately, and these boxes kind of give me a reason to film. So yeah, I hope you guys liked. For anyone who wants to know what my influencer thing is, it's going to be down below if you want to follow me and see my code, my influencer amount is like, give me 1 second, I got this. So that's influencer. It will pop up and there I am. My influencer is Amateur Aries, just like my YouTube name, and I have 10 badges. My impact is 6,424, and this is my second box I received from them. My first box, it took a couple months for me to receive one because I had such low impact and I was just starting to review. If you want to get a box, you must get badges, review products, like other people's reviews, answer questions or ask questions. There's a lot of things you can do. It's pretty easy to get badges too. Like, you can take pictures of the items, and when you review them, then you can get a badge for that. You can get a badge for reviewing them. You can get a badge for those particular topics. Like if you do reviews on books or games and beauty, you get badges for certain ones. Like I got one for beauty. I got one for games because I'm a gamer. I got one for pets. Tech. Paparazzi is the one where you take pictures of the actual items. And then a Scantastic where I scan the actual barcode to find the item because, girl, typing takes a lot of time. And there's other badges, like when they pop up, you can do things for those badges. And if you earn enough points, you can gain those badges and they'll go into your badges thing. But there's a whole bunch of different ones, like Good Samaritan. I don't know how to do that. Globetrotter, Decorator, Sweet Tooth, Bookworm, Mega Parent, Happy Hour. Just tons. You do you. I have 3 things added on. Who want to hear your review? I just got the box. Give me a second, girl. Calm down. Anyway, so that's it. I hope you guys liked, comment, and subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this. Bye!